What's the meaning of bias cut? Bias cut. Bias cut.
Bias cut. Bias cut. The term bias cut refers to a technique in garment cutting where the fabric is cut diagonally at a 45-degree angle to the grain of the fabric. This results in a garment that drapes and flows beautifully on the body, as the diagonal cut allows the fabric to stretch and move with the body's curves. The bias cut was popularized by French fashion designer Madeleine Vionnet in the 1920s and has since been used in various garments like dresses, skirts, and blouses. The bias cut has become synonymous with elegance, femininity, and sophistication in fashion design, and it remains a popular technique used by designers today.